Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial with me, Titatera Tekwe, as your teacher. I will be walking you through the self-paced tutorial where we will be looking at the basics of Microsoft Word, creating, styling, and formatting documents. But first, before we jump into looking at what Microsoft Word is all about and how to go about creating documents, we will first of all need to create a folder. And to do that, all you need to do is right-click on your desktop. Using your mouse, you hover down to New, and in the side menu, you click on Folder. Now you're going to have a yellow icon on your desktop and a name that is shaded in blue called New Folder. Now all you need to do is simply just delete what is there, use the backspace on your keyboard, and you can give it a name, a new name, and press Enter on the keyboard to save it. Now that way you have a new folder created. We've created a new folder. Now, what if we spell the name wrongly or the name we've given to it, we want to change it later on? Now, to simply do that, all we need to do is right click on that folder, and in the options that pop up, we should hover right down to rename, and then we can change the name to whatever name we feel comfortable or the new name we need it to have, and we press enter, and that way we have renamed our folder. Now, one more thing before we end this lesson is look at how to delete a folder. Now, to delete a folder, all you need to do is right click on that folder and you hover down to delete. And you click on delete, then your folder is deleted. Now, there are two things you should know. One, when you delete your folder that is empty, it simply just goes straight to the recycle bin without any prompt or notification. But if your folder has some items in it or is filled or has some content or some files in it, then when you click on the option to delete, I'm going to ask you if you are sure about deleting that folder. Now, if you are still sure about deleting the folder, you can simply just take the option yes, and your folder will be deleted. So in this lesson, we've seen how to create, how to rename, and how to delete a folder. See you in the next lesson.